So hi, my name is Siddharth Nayak and I am the coordinator of the most dynamic club of KSOM, that is the marketing club called Matrix. I started my journey in 2024 as a club member, from where the initial task was to manage the time and the discipline of a club and the academics at the same time. Eventually, I got proposed for the coordinatorship. I put out my hard work and effort into shaping the club into a desired platform where the students of marketing domain could easily channelize themselves into future marketers. My only goal for this club was that me, my batchmates and my juniors could get channelized through such a platform where, with the guidance of our director, dean, SDC and all the marketing professors, we could know the real-time trends of marketing. We could get the insights from corporate leaders through activities, through their presence itself, and make it a wonderful journey for the next 2 years.